Hey guys, I just wanted to shoot a quick shout out to everybody and say happy 5th of July. The video that's following here will explain the true meaning of Independence Day and how it actually did not happen on the 4th of July, but we should really celebrate the 5th of July, and I hope that it's a movement that catches on. Stick around though, because at the end there's a sneak peek for all my diehard fans. So I love you guys. Happy 5th of July.
According to Wikipedia, during the American Revolution, the legal separation of the 13 colonies from the Great Britain of 1776 perhaps occurred on July 5th, when the Second Continental Congress voted to approve the resolution of independence that had been purposed in June by Dick Henry Lee of Virginia, declaring the United States independent from Great Britain's rule. Therefore, we should actually be celebrating our fireworks on July 5th of every year hereafter. July 4th is a holiday celebrated by bigots and people who have a bias towards natural and organic history. We owe ourselves the truth of humanity as proposed by our forefathers and sisters alike. It is up to us, the millennials and baby boomers and Gen Xers of this country and other countries alike, to set the record straight, to set the precedent, to set principles, to do the things that our children will be proud of, one of which is celebrating our great nation's independence on the correct day. That day is July 5th.
I wanted to share a snippet of a song that I'm working on my upcoming album. I promised you guys will be the first ones to know about it. So just to give a sneak peek of what's to come, here is a snippet of Confucius Say What.